Hello everyone, my name is Pushpinder Kaur and today I will be presenting on the principle of competitive strategies in relation to Tesla's strategic approach, where we will delve into the key elements that drive Tesla's success and address its challenges. This presentation is structured to provide a comprehensive understanding of Tesla's position in the market, its unique strategies, and how it navigates various competitive environments. Section 1, Understanding Tesla's Strengths and Weaknesses. Tesla's strength lies not only in its cutting edge electric vehicle technology but also in its visionary leadership, particularly Elon Musk's ability to generate excitement and drive innovation. Additionally, Tesla benefits from its strong brand reputation and loyal customer base. However, the company faces weaknesses such as production bottlenecks, regulatory challenges, and potential supply chain disruptions. Tesla has actively addressed its weaknesses by implementing strategies to enhance production efficiency and scalability. For instance, the company has focused on automating its manufacturing processes and streamlining its supply chain to increase output and reduce costs. Tesla's gigafactories, strategically located around the world, enable it to produce batteries at scale, thereby mitigating risks associated with fluctuations in battery prices and supply chain disruptions. Section 2, Strategies for Addressing Vulnerabilities. To protect against vulnerabilities, Tesla has invested heavily in research and development to maintain its technological leadership and continually improve its products. Tesla's acquisition of SolarCity and its development of energy storage solutions like the Powerwall and Powerpacks not only diversify its revenue streams but also position the company as a leader in the renewable energy sector, reducing its dependence on the automotive market. Section 3, Unique and Difficult to Replicate Strategies. Tesla's vertical integration sets it apart from traditional automakers. By controlling everything from vehicle design and manufacturing to sales and service, Tesla can maintain tight control over quality and innovation, giving it a competitive edge. Moreover, Tesla's focus on direct to consumer sales and its investment in its supercharger network differentiate it from traditional dealership models and enable it to offer a seamless and unique customer experience. Section 4, Competitive Action for Different Market Environments. In a monopoly market, a single company dominates the entire market without any significant competition. Although Tesla does not operate in a true monopoly in the automotive industry, considering these hypothetical scenario 1. Raise entry barriers, 2. Limit competitive access to scarce resources, 3. Innovate patent, 4. Introduce new products frequently. Under raise entry barriers, Tesla could leverage its advanced manufacturing capabilities, such as its gigafactories, to achieve economies of scale that new entrants find difficult to match, whereas, in limit competitive access to scarce resources, Tesla would continue securing exclusive deals with suppliers for essential components and raw materials, thereby creating supply chain bottlenecks for potential competitors. With relation to innovate patent, Tesla's aggressive R&D investments would lead to the development of new technologies and features which would be patented to prevent competitors from copying. This would ensure a continuous flow of innovative products that competitors cannot easily replicate. Tesla would frequently launch new models and upgrade existing ones with the latest technology, keeping the market saturated with its products and maintaining consumer interest and loyalty. In an oligopoly competition, a few companies dominate the market. This is more reflective of the current automotive market, where Tesla competes with major automakers. 1. Monitor and mimic rival behavior. 2. Employ tit for tat strategy. In relation to monitor and mimic rival behavior, Tesla would keep a close watch on competitors' pricing, product launches, and marketing strategies. If a rival introduces a new feature or model, Tesla would quickly develop and introduce comparable or superior offerings. Whereas, under tit for tat strategy, Tesla might temporarily reduce its own prices or offer incentives to match if a competitor lowers its product prices. If competitors enhance their product warranties or customer service offerings, Tesla would do the same or better to ensure they don't lose market share. In a perfect competition market, numerous small firms sell identical products, and no single firm can influence the market price. This scenario is highly theoretical for Tesla, given the uniqueness of its products, but considering a highly competitive EV market. The main element under this competition are 1. Price taker, 2. Operational efficiency, 3. Quality and service, 4. Market penetration. In relation to price taker, Tesla would have to accept the market price for its vehicles, meaning it couldn't influence prices through its actions. Under operational efficiency, Tesla would streamline its manufacturing processes, optimize supply chains, and improve productivity to lower production costs. Whereas, in quality and service, despite being a price taker, Tesla would strive to differentiate its products through superior quality, innovative features, and excellent customer service, which leads to enhanced customer satisfaction and loyalty. Under market penetration, Tesla would aggressively expanding into new markets and increasing the density of sales and service centers would be crucial to achieve higher sales volumes and take advantage of economies of scale. References used in this presentation are below. This comprehensive approach has allowed Tesla to address weaknesses, protect against vulnerabilities, and develop strategies that distinguish it from traditional automakers, ultimately positioning the company as a pioneer in the electric vehicle and renewable energy sectors. It's been a pleasure being with all of you today. In case of any doubt or clarification, please feel free to contact at pushpinder.kaur3@student.kpu.ca or comment below. Thank you.